Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Degiro account, and afterwards I'll discuss the pros and cons of the platform so you can decide whether you want to use it or not. Now let's get started. Start by downloading the Degiro app. Search for Degiro in the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. For this tutorial, I'll be using Android. You can also register using the desktop version if you prefer. After downloading, launch the app. The app claims that setting up an account only takes a few minutes, but verifying your details may take longer. I've heard of it taking up to 10 days during periods of high sign-up volume. Select your country. Ensure you're in a country supported by Degiro, which is EU, Norway or Switzerland. Enter your email address, username and password. Verify your email by clicking on a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once you press the confirmation link, you'll be taken back to the Degiro app. Here, log in using your username and password. In the next window, you'll have to create a 5-digit passcode for easy login. You can also use your fingerprint scanner if you'd like. Then fill out required personal data fields including your name, address, birth data and other relevant details. You will also need to confirm your phone number via SMS or phone call. Next, verify your identity. Upload a government-issued ID, which is a passport. You'll have to send 2 photos at different angles for safety reasons. Note, this step may take up to several days for Degiro to review and approve. Once you verify your identity, add your bank account details. It's important to note that Degiro requires a registered bank account. Online-only banking solutions like Revolut or Wise are not currently supported. Next, enter your tax details including your primary tax residency and tax identification number, if applicable. Carefully review the agreements provided by Degiro. Once you're comfortable with the terms, sign electronically. Simply enter the verification code that was sent to your phone number. After you sign the agreement, Degiro will request a FlatX Degiro cash account for you. This might take up to a working day. Finally, before you access or use specific financial instruments, you'll have to pass a test which showcases your knowledge of investing. It only has a few questions and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Once your account is set up, you can explore the app's features including searching for products, placing and tracking orders, monitoring your portfolio and account balance, checking financial news and notifications. So if you're yet to open a Degiro account and wondering if it's a good idea, I'll outline some pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. Pros: low fees. Degiro is one of the cheapest brokers available in Europe, making it accessible to a wide range of investors who are looking to minimize costs. Access to global markets. Users can trade in worldwide markets, which makes it a versatile option for you if you're interested in diversifying your portfolio internationally. Variety of asset classes. Degiro offers access to multiple asset types, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, and futures, providing flexibility for different investment strategies. Decent interface. Both the app and the desktop interface are user-friendly, allowing for a smooth trading experience even for those who are relatively new to investing. Now into the cons. No fractional shares. Unlike some competitors, Degiro does not allow its users to purchase fractional shares, meaning you must buy whole shares of stocks, which could limit options for small investors. Limited educational tools. Degiro lacks extensive tutorials, educational resources, or training materials for beginners who might need more guidance in learning about investing. No debit and credit card linking. At the time of making this video, Degiro does not support linking debit or credit cards for transactions. This limitation includes online-only banking solutions like Revolut and Wise, which might be inconvenient for users who rely on those services for their finances. That's it for now. If you liked the video and want to get started with Degiro right away, I've left an affiliate link down below. It's a great way to support the Financer YouTube channel. Also make sure to subscribe and leave any comments you might have down below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Now have a great day.